Evergreen, Science and Environment for Class 8. Work, energy and power. The concept of energy is one of the most important physical concepts in both contemporary science and engineering practice. In everyday usage, we think of energy in terms of the cost of fuel for transportation and heating, electricity for light and appliances, and the foods we consume. However, these ideas do not really define energy. Energy is present in different forms, including mechanical energy, electromagnetic energy, chemical energy, thermal energy, and nuclear energy, etc. The various forms of energy are related to each other through the fact that when energy is transformed from one form to another, the total amount of energy remains same. The transformation of energy from one form into the other is an essential part of the study of physics, engineering, chemistry, biology, geology, and astronomy. Concept of work.